Hello and welcome to GeoTruth. Today we're going to look at the moon on October 24th, 2023. On October 24, 2023, the moon continues in its waxing gibbous phase. On October 24th at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, at around time 21:56, which is 9:56 p.m., pictures and video of the moon were taken using a Nikon P1000 camera. We'll observe the pictures and videos taken with the camera and notice as the sun moves farther away from the moon increases in its light. Using the astronomical data from the United States Naval Observatory, altitude and azimuth of the sun or moon during one day, we'll first locate the actual sun and moon's locations on the Earth when the Nikon P1000 pictures were taken at time 21:56. We will locate the moon's coordinates first. The first row in the table shows the moon's altitude is 90 degrees or directly above at minus 11.05 latitude and minus 78.77 longitude. We will use these coordinates to locate the moon on the circular level plane Gleason's map. On October 24th, the moon is 82% illuminated. The first row in the table shows the sun's altitude is 90 degrees or directly above at minus 11.60 latitude and plus 147.07 longitude. We'll use these coordinates to locate the sun on the circular level plane Gleason's map. The moon is shown as a white circle and is located at minus 11.05 latitude and minus 78.77 longitude. The sun is shown as a yellow circle and is located at minus 11.60 latitude and plus 147.07 longitude. Let's compare the locations of the sun and moon from October 14th to October 24th. We continue to observe the sun is moving farther west from the moon, and the moon's light increases each day. Here is Mainstream Science's fake graphic of the moon on October 24th. From October 14th to October 24th, the moon has gone from 0% illumination to 82% illumination. Next, we will look at pictures and videos taken with the Nikon P1000 camera on October 24th. During the day, we observe the front edge of the moon facing the sun is fully lit and has a clear line of demarcation between light and blue sky. During the day, we observe the back edge of the moon facing away from the sun. There is no line of demarcation between light and blue sky, but instead pockets of light next to pockets of blue sky. The pockets of blue sky are void of mass and invisible. At night, we continue to observe the front edge of the moon facing the sun is fully lit and has a clear line of demarcation between light and darkness. At night, we continue to observe the back edge of the moon facing away from the sun. There is no line of demarcation between light and darkness, but instead pockets of light next to pockets of darkness. The pockets of darkness are void of mass and invisible. We continue to observe areas of light that are not connected to the main lit area of the moon. This is because this area of the moon is beginning to fill with light energy. As the sun continues to separate its distance from the moon each day, the back edge of the moon, facing away from the sun, is being filled with more light energy each day. Each day we are witnessing the moon's disk increasing in light. The navigational data of the United States Naval Observatory and 1st Enoch, Chapter 78, 10 through 11, are in agreement with the physical locations and electromagnetic relationship between the sun and the moon. The lit part of the moon always faces the sun, and from October 15th to October 24th, the sun is west of the moon. 1st Enoch 78:10, and Uriel showed me another law, when light is transferred to the moon, and on which side it is transferred from the sun. From October 14th to October 24th, the sun has moved farther west from the moon each day. On October 14th, the sun was 0 hours apart from the moon, and the moon had 0% light. On October 24th, the sun is 9 hours west of the moon, and the moon has 82% light. 1st Enoch 78:11. All the time that the moon is increasing in its light, it transfers as it becomes opposite the sun, until in 14 days, its light is full in the sky, and when it is all ablaze, its light is full in the sky. Next time we'll look at the moon's lunar cycle on October 25th, 2023. See you later.